Congratulations on being active in your students' rescue. I'd like to be the first to thank you for all that you do. My name is Ron L. James, motivational speaker, published author, and life coach. And I get the pleasure and opportunity to travel all over our country and speak at schools, pre-K, all the way up to high school. And what I talk about is how we can make our students to understand how they can make their next choice their best choice. And in doing that, the topic that I'm working with today is kindness. How can we help our students understand kindness? Well, we know there are a number of students that are leaders that go in and out of your classroom that sometimes seem that they're causing trouble. And I like to focus on those students specifically. Now, how do we know that they will make a change? Well, we don't. However, if we can get them as leaders because they've been leading down the wrong path, if we can get them to buy in to understand the word kindness and what that means for them, then all of a sudden they become the leaders that say, hey, let's don't do that. Hey, let's do it differently. So what I like to do is affect students, one student at a time, one classroom at a time, do a full assembly, and then also change school at a time and district at a time. So what am I saying? I would like to be invited to your school to have the opportunity to speak into the lives of your students. I bring three things to the table. One is I make it about them. Secondly, I bring passion, and you can start to hear and see some of it. But the third thing is I bring complete authenticity. And if you don't bring it to the students and keeping it real, as they say, keep it 100, then you lose them. But from my story and life experiences, they know right up front that I'm the real deal. So what I like to do is be invited to your school so that we can make a change together. We can partner together and make a change in their lives. And as administrators, I know that you go to bed every day thinking about how you can make a difference. And I know when you wake up early in the morning and you have solutions on, hey, I just found out what we can do different, you bring it to the table. And all I want to do is be able to partner with you and to bring the word kindness into your school, because I look at it as a default system. What am I saying? When the lights go out in your building, the generator kicks in. And when the generator kicks in, it brings the lights back on and there's electricity flowing. So what I hope for your students to understand is when they have an interruption in their life, no matter how tragic it is, they can always default to using kindness. Hey, my name is Ron L. James, motivational speaker, author, and life coach, and I'd like to speak with you.